Hello everyone. Night pursuit on the bridge. High speeds, tire smoke, and sirens. Watch as officers corner the suspect amidst heavy highway traffic. One wrong move changes everything instantly. Which part of this situation was the most intense for you? Tell us in the comments below right now. On December 7th, 2024, on Interstate 40 in Arkansas, multiple Arkansas State Police ASP units pursued a white Corvette speeding over 100 miles per hour. After the first containment attempt failed, the driver thought he had escaped. But with units closing in from all sides, how long could he really run? What was he trying to outrun? Sergeant Roberts slowed the suspect, setting up the perfect moment for TFC Bird to deliver a precise PIT. The Corvette collided with a truck and the barrier. Escape plans shattered.
About to get bit! Don't be Hey, put your hands up! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Come out the car! Get your ass out! Crossfire! 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 Get out of the crossfire! No, hold up! Here, I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming, Garrett! Watch out! Let me go! I'm trying to! Where's Richard? Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands!
The driver refused to exit the vehicle. Officers escalated as Trooper Fultz deployed his K-9 partner, Ghost, issuing an authoritative command. Get out of the car!
Get out of the car! Break it! Get out of the car! You're gonna get hit! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out!
Christopher Najera, 32, was taken into custody. He faces multiple charges including felony fleeing, theft of property, stolen vehicle, possession of controlled substances, driving under the influence, and more. He was booked into the Crittenden County Jail. Never try to outrun the radio or a K-9. On December 27th, 2021, on Interstate 75 in Macon, Georgia, a state patrol trooper clocked a Ford Ranger traveling 90 miles per hour in a 70-mile-per-hour zone. The driver initially appeared ready to stop, but after a tractor-trailer blocked his escape route, he hit the gas and ran. Did he really think a pickup could outrun a patrol car in the radio? The game was just beginning. Officers decided it was time to end the chase. A perfectly executed pit maneuver stopped the threat before it reached a more crowded area.
17 off 5. Watch 7 off 5.
The driver, Joseph Silas, was found still wearing his seatbelt. He admitted to drinking and said he had made a major mistake. In Georgia, felony fleeing and eluding carries 1 to 5 years in prison and fines up to $5,000. Combined with a DUI and other charges, it became a painfully expensive lesson. On Monday, February 3rd, 2025, in West Memphis, Arkansas, Officer Dylan Evans stopped an orange Dodge Charger for traveling 83 miles per hour in a 65 zone. During the stop, the officer smelled a strong illicit odor and asked the driver, Brandon Williams, to step out. Williams appeared to comply, but the moment the officer turned away, he floored it and took off. What do you think he was hiding that made a simple speeding ticket worth turning into a felony?
Final stop location. We're just over the top of the MLK overpass. Eastbound. Trooper Evans, Arkansas State Police, I'm out with you for your speed. Got you at 83 miles per hour when you're coming at me. Have your license, registration, proof of insurance? Sir? Okay. How much marijuana do you have in the vehicle? Okay.
Now I'm looking for my registration.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn your car off for me. Step back here to my car.
You fucking move! You're gonna get shot! Do you understand? You fucking move! You get shot! Get on the fucking ground! Put your hands on the ground!
Put your chest on hood.
After a 140 miles per hour pursuit and a textbook pipe maneuver, the game was over. A very bad decision. At around 10 p.m. on July 6, 2024, in North Little Rock, Arkansas, North Little Rock police pursued a red Chevrolet Avalanche, with Arkansas State Police Trooper Calvert leading the chase. The suspect drove erratically at just 40 miles per hour, refusing to stop and steering himself toward an inevitable ending in handcuffs.
Switch it up.
Trooper Calvert attempted a pit maneuver, but the truck was too heavy and broke free. A second attempt also failed, the suspect maintaining control and forcing officers to look for a decisive solution.
Not yet. It's still flat tires, so it's kind of hard to spin it, but it's doing about 40 miles an hour with light traffic. Turning south on the Broadway Bridge, and 55 go over to get out into that wall.
Watch this car first. Now do it.
What?
Now. Wait.
Now?
No. Now.
You get out into the wall now.
Now, you gotta get deep. Deep. Four. Not now. You gotta come traffic.
I don't hit that.
On the Broadway Bridge, Sergeant Monroe delivered a decisive pit, ending the pursuit. Suspect Wendell Jackson now faces felony fleeing and assault on law enforcement, carrying penalties of up to 6 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. On July 3rd, 2017, in Shenandoah, Texas, the incident began when a group of 5 was caught attempting to steal about $5,000 worth of merchandise from Home Depot. When Shenandoah police arrived, the situation escalated. 2 getaway vehicles, one white and one black, crashed into each other, struck a patrol car, and fled. This is the pursuit of the black Dodge Charger. Was a failed theft really worth the risk?
Down Big Memorial. All foot, and I got 2 vehicles running. One I'm chasing, Henry Victor X-Ray 4968. Pulled in behind Sam. Played for myself and 11 hours to from a street creek. Red shirt, white shirt, 2 barbells. Running towards Home Depot. 2810, I think he's trying to get out for the feeder road here northbound. We have any units? Northbound.
Up there in northbound on 45, coming up from Heinz here.
Henry Victor X-Ray 4968. Up there. 2013, got 200.
The Charger was disabled. Darrell Lee, 20, and Devonta Lee, 17, bailed out and ran on foot, facing felony theft. Darrell alone risks up to 10 years in prison for his reckless attempt to flee.